P10M is a budget-friendly device which doesn't require a hole in your wallet, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Gionee P10M. Now let's go straight into the unboxing. Inside the box we have the phone itself with some specs highlighted at the front of the device. Let's take off the nylon and keep the phone aside. In the bottom compartment, let's shift the phone a little bit forward. We have the micro USB cable for charging and transferring files, a 5-volt power brick, a standard headphone, a transparent silicone case with all the necessary cutouts for the device, a glass screen protector which you have to fix by yourself, a product warranty card, and a user manual, and that's all for what we have inside the box. Gionee released this new device into the Nigerian market on August 2019. It is the latest Android Go device from the tech company. At least Gionee would have put the Android 9 Pie Go instead of the 8.1 Oreo Go. Well, let's forget about that. The Gionee P10M is made of plastic, which is not surprising given at its price. The design looks like a typical 2019 smartphone with a dual camera setup at the back alongside with the LED flash, and there is no fingerprint sensor and some Gionee branding below. At the bottom, at the front of this device, we have a 6.088-inch water drop display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. The water drop display houses the front-facing camera with a screen-to-body ratio of 89.8%. However, it does have a slightly bigger chin and thicker bezels all around than most other smartphones. This device weighs 184.5 grams and seems to come in three colors, which are black, blue, and champagne gold. Mine is the blue variant. There is also a dual SIM slot, none of which supports 4G LTE, and has a SD card slot which is expandable up to 64 gigabytes. So at the back we have a dual camera setup with which are 8 megapixels respectively, with a 5 megapixel front facing camera. The back camera has the ability to shoot 720p videos at 30 frames per second with no optical image stabilization. Inside this device we have the MediaTek MT6580A CPU, which has a quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz with a Mali 400MP2 GPU for both graphics and gaming. 1 GB of RAM, handles multicasting pretty well and runs on the Android edition of the 8.1. It also has a 16 GB of internal storage. The 4000 mAh on the Gionee P10M is perhaps one of the highlights of this device. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the fast charging, which is a bumper for a 2019 smartphone. It also doesn't have 4G LTE connection. However, it does have other features such as Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB port, which is used for charging and transferring files. The Gionee P10M is also available now at and can be purchased at various online and offline stores for just $68.37, which is very cheap, and in Naira it costs 24,800 at various stores. Share your thoughts in the comment section below about this device. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.